Hello everyone, my name is Khazra Putika Vrylia. I'm come from Senior High School on Sungai Penuh in the class 12 Science Program 2 and with tutor Dr. Anda Hermi.
My name is Rintan Sahsabila Romice, class 12 Mipa 2 at High School 1 Sungai Penuh, and the supervisor is teacher Hermi.
Introduce my name Zaqiya Zahwa Alifa, class 12 Science 2 SMA Negeri 1 Sungai Penuh, tutor Dr. Anda Hermi. What is Eco Enzyme? Eco Enzyme was first introduced by Dr. Rasukon Pompanfok, who is the founder of Organic Farming Association of Thailand. The idea of this project is to process enzyme from organic waste that we usually throw in the trash can as organic cleaners. So, ecoenzyme is the result of fermentation of organic kitchen waste such as fruits and vegetable pulp, sugar, brown sugar, red sugar, or cane sugar, and water. It is dark brown in color and has a strong sweet and sour fermented aroma.
Purpose of ecoenzyme. Ecoenzyme can be a multi-purpose liquid and its application include household, agriculture, and also livestock. Basically, ecoenzyme acceleration biochemical reaction in nature to produce useful enzymes use fruit or vegetable waste. This liquid can be used as household cleaner, as full as nature fertilizer, and effective pesticides.
The first hot glue gun, 2 bottle, 3 balance, 4 water plus hose, 5 container gallon with 10 liter of water, palm sugar that has been sliced, the last fruit trash that has been sliced into small pieces.
How to make ecoenzyme? Small slice of palm sugar, then put it into a gallon that already contains 10 liters of water. The goal is that the sugar dissolves easily in water. Then enter the fruit skin waste that has been sliced into the gallon, which already contains water and sugar.
Then make a hole in the cap of gallon and enter the water plus straight. And then glue it so that there is no gap for air to escape. Then connect the water plus hose into the bottle and wait for it to ferment for 3 months.
Now, I will tell you about the benefit of Eco Enzyme, and the benefits are: the first, to take the shower because it can treat sore skin, and the second, to wash and soften the clothes. Third, avoid clogging and improve toilet flow. Fourth, for the air purifier in the toilet. And fifth, cleaning stains or mildew in the Zahwa. The sixth, to clean and remove odors such as on carpets, shoes, and blankets. The seventh, can clean the kitchen, especially on oily surface. Eighth, anti-fungi. Ninth, to clean animal cage. And the 10th, can be air purifier in air conditioner. The 11th, can clean the wash towel and can clean the refrigerator and cupboards, can bathe the animals, and the last can be used as a nursery and planting. This enzyme cleaner is 100% natural and free from chemicals, easy to beauty grade, and gentle on the hands and environment. This liquid is also a natural insect repellent that keeps insects and others away. After being used for mop, this liquid can also be used to water plants. Eco Enzyme can also be used to stimulate plant hormones, to improve the quality of fruits and vegetables. So, in essence, it is a circular economy at its best.
Pembuatan ekoenzim telah selesai. Kita membuatnya pada tanggal 1 November 2020 dan akan kita lihat hasilnya setelah 3 bulan. Kira-kira pada akhir Januari 2021. Kegunaan selang water plus di sini adalah untuk mengeluarkan udara atau gas yang dihasilkan pada fermentasi di dalam galon tersebut agar keluar melalui selang water plus dan dialirkan ke dalam botol aqua yang berisikan air agar terfermentasi dengan baik.
That's the video from us. Hopefully this video useful for all of us, and thank you.